Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Redmi A1 Plus to an Android device. You need to start by accessing Play Store on both of them and tapping on the search bars. Now type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, select Open. In order to use this app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Nextly, select Send at the bottom left corner of your Redmi, and then click on Receive next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Redmi. Finally, click on all of those type of categories and tap on those dots. This way, you'll pick all of your files from this category and then transfer them. You can also just click on the chosen files, and wherever you do, choose Send next to Selected when you finished. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, select the scanning icon located next to Input key on an Android. Allow camera access by tapping on while using or only this time, and point your camera at the code. If you wish to, you can always just input this key instead by tapping on Input key section, typing in all of those numbers, and connecting using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!